Hello, I'm Iris from Binbao Machinery. Today I take you visit our Egyptian customer factories. This factory located in 6 October City, Giza Province. They are manufacturer of envelope and label sticker raw material. In this year, they bought our newest model SLD-Pro series Slitter rewriter machine for cutting self-adhesive paper and label sticker paper and envelope offset paper. This model machine have different structures and some new functions. Now let me introduce to you. This machine width is 1,600 millimeter wide. This model machine maximum rewriter diameter is 1.2 meters. The rewriter shaft is slip friction differential shaft. This type shaft is very good control tension for the pressure sensitive materials.